Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hi there, welcome back in another video. And today I'm gonna discuss on video color grading in Photoshop. We get trouble in videography if we don't have proper configuration in our computer. As the case, we can run Premiere Pro or various type of software in our computer. Which software we can run in our computer is not enough for proper videography. The main thing is it's not enough for proper color grading. So here is the solution. We can get a good output with combination of Photoshop and basic video editing software for our videography. So today we'll learn about how to use Photoshop Camera Raw filter for video's color correction. So let's get started for the video. First of all, open your video in Photoshop. Then convert this video layer to Smart Object and drag the video pointer where all objects are available. Now go to Camera Raw filter from filter menu. It's just a simple method to video color correction. Here custom the setting as required for your video. I think I need to decrease some exposure. And I think this video will looking good with more green background. So go to hue and saturation and increase specific color. Okay, I think it's good. Not only that, you can also use selective color for color grading. There are same process for videos and photos. Now it's time to render the video. So that's for go to export, render video, and click on render with this default settings if you want to get your video original quality. Now it's time to watch the preview. As you can see, you can compare the color quality. So I think this video will be very helpful for you who want to make music videos and short films. If you want to get more videos on video editing, please comment in my video. I will try my best for make something better for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.